Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia if you are new here, and if you are not, welcome back. This video is going to be kind of like a classroom teardown. I announced on my Instagram so they know first, but if you don't know, I currently teach 3rd grade, and next year I'll be teaching kindergarten. I'll still be in the same school, but because I'm teaching a new grade and because it's the end of the year, I still have to take down my classroom and box things up. So I will kind of just show you the classroom that I'm working with right now. Keep in mind, I did take down the majority of my things due to map testing. I couldn't have anything on my bulletin board, so like my alphabet is already taken down, my anchor charts, my calendar, my quotes, other things that I used as like resources for the students had to all be taken down. So that is all. It kind of already looks bare. And yesterday, today is our last day of switching, so because I'm departmentalized, I teach 2 reading classes. I teach my homeroom reading and then I teach another class reading. Today is our last day of teaching content. The rest of the days for school, we have 8 days left, or we have 6 days left after today. We will just be like doing end of year activities and stuff and bonding with our students before they leave for summer. So with that, I had my students already clean out their book boxes. They put the library books that were in there back on the shelf. I already collected the folders that I used for them since I bought them. They took their reading journals home, so that's already kind of cleaned and empty. So I'll just kind of show you what the classroom looks like and what I still need to take down. So let me flip you around. Okay. Also, don't mind my messy classroom. My students are currently in specials, and then when they come back, they'll go to writing. But here's the library, the cubbies. So that is what the classroom currently looks like. It is pretty bare already just because I've taken a lot of things down with map testing. And I'm just going to work little by little. So this video will be over a several days span. I'm just going to work while students are in specials and after school. Won't be staying very long after contract times, but I'll just start slowly packing up my room because I know that it takes a very long time to go through all the things and to put them in boxes. So let's get started. I got them all cleaned. Well, I wiped them down. The white was actually really hard to clean. It didn't get everything, but the majority of it cleaned it. But I had 2 book boxes that were completely broken, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw those away. I had a couple of the number tags that fell off, so I just stuck them in the other stack of book bins so I don't lose it. I'm just going to put them all in a box so that they stay together, and then whenever I'm unboxing them in the fall, I can just glue those numbers back onto new book boxes. So my students organized this little sticky note container, and they had extra glue. I don't think they realized that there was a second glue box, but they organized it in rainbow, which is super fun that they know how to make my heart happy. All right, we are on day 2 of tearing down the classroom. I had a couple students help me with the library. We went through our books to figure out which one were mine that had my stamp on it and which books needed to stay here. Some of them were purchased like specifically for this classroom, so they'll stay in 3rd grade. And then others were already here, so they'll stay for the next teacher as well. So I will flip the camera around and kind of show you what it looks like. All right, so since I'm not going to be needing my chapter books, I put them all in one box, and that way I know where they're all at. And then I put my picture books in these 2 with my reading buddies. And then these are lesson storybooks that were already here, so they'll stay. And then these are the chapter books and picture books that will also stay for the next teacher, and my organization bins. I'm currently staying after school. Next week I have 3 all-day trainings, and so I'm just tearing down my classroom little by little so that it's not so overwhelming. I probably should have organized my picture books a little bit better so that it's not such a huge mess for next year when I come back in the fall. But I didn't do that. I just sorted it by picture books and chapter books. But if I could do it again, I would probably sort by nonfiction, fiction, and then my chapter books. Just make it a little bit easier, but guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is classroom tear down as we get ready for the summer. I've worked on it a little bit here and there. Last week I took a couple things down. Today is our first teacher work day. Today is May 31st, and tomorrow we have another work day for June 1st, but I got everything packed and ready to go. I already put my loose items and on a cart and put them in the new kindergarten room that I'll be in, but I will flip the camera around and show you what I did today. So I stacked everything that was on my side, or all the things that need to be moved to kindergarten, on the one side of the classroom, and everything else that will stay on the other. This is a kindergarten easel that is going to stay. I'm going to take the one that I currently have that was in this room with me to kindergarten. That is my classroom teardown. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!